At some point, almost everyone has lived this moment. You make a little progress, maybe a raise, a profitable investment, or a side income that finally clicks. And the first instinct is to tell someone, not to brag, just to feel seen. But suddenly, the questions start. The expectations grow. Advice you didn't ask for pours in. And quietly, the pressure changes how you think, spend, and decide. What felt like progress now feels heavy. That's where today's story begins. The loudest wealth stories are usually the weakest ones, and the quietest ones compound the fastest. In this video, we'll uncover why privacy acts like financial insulation and how to use it intentionally. Watch till the end, because the final insight ties everything together into a simple rule that can permanently change how you earn, spend, and invest. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Number 1. Visibility quietly rewrites your financial behavior. Most people believe money decisions are logical, numbers in, returns out. But the moment people know you're doing well, logic takes a back seat. When your financial progress becomes visible, your brain starts optimizing for approval instead of performance. Behavioral economists call this social signaling bias, the unconscious tendency to adjust decisions based on how others perceive us. Suddenly, your stock portfolio isn't just about compound growth or long-term investing. It becomes a reflection of status. You hesitate to rebalance because it looks boring. You chase growth stocks during bull markets to appear smart. You avoid defensive assets because they don't sound impressive at dinner conversations. Quiet wealth removes that pressure entirely. When no one knows how much you earn, invest, or own, every financial decision becomes cleaner. A powerful line from The Millionaire Next Door highlights this perfectly. Wealth is what you don't see. That invisibility protects your discipline. Number 2. When people know, expectations multiply faster than returns. The moment people know you're financially ahead, expectations quietly enter the room. Friends expect generosity. Family assumes availability. Colleagues treat your success as shared property. None of this is malicious, but all of it is expensive. Psychologists call this social obligation inflation. As perceived, wealth increases, so does the number of unspoken roles you're expected to play. The reliable lender, the backup plan, the you can afford it person. Quiet wealth avoids this trap completely. When people don't know what you have, they don't plan around your resources. Your money remains focused on its real job: equity growth, cash flow, and long-term financial freedom. This is why many high net worth investors structure their lives intentionally below their means, even when they could easily afford more. Not because they're stingy, but because they understand that money grows best when it has one boss. When your wealth is private, generosity becomes intentional instead of reactive. And that shift alone preserves decades of compounding. But the real acceleration begins when silence protects something even more valuable than money: your focus. Silence preserves cognitive bandwidth for high-leverage decisions. Wealth doesn't grow from activity. It grows from decision quality. Every explanation drains cognitive energy. Every justification steals attention. Every comparison introduces noise. When people know your financial moves, you don't just make decisions, you defend them. Why that ETF? Why not real estate? Why didn't you sell earlier? Why didn't you buy that IPO? Quiet wealth eliminates the need to narrate your strategy. You stop thinking in terms of reactions and start thinking in systems. Asset allocation becomes mechanical. Dollar cost averaging becomes automatic. Market volatility becomes background noise instead of emotional drama. In Deep Work, Cal Newport explains that progress accelerates when cognitive energy is protected from fragmentation. The same principle applies to money. Financial clarity compounds when your attention isn't diluted by opinions. Silence creates a private feedback loop. You measure performance against your goals, not against someone else's timeline or philosophy. Number 4. Quiet investors survive volatility, while loud ones panic. Market volatility doesn't just test portfolios, it tests identity. When your financial life is public, downturns feel personal, losses feel embarrassing, drawdowns feel like failure. That emotional exposure pushes people to act when they should wait. Quiet investors experience volatility differently. There's no audience, no reputation on the line. just numbers moving as markets naturally do. When no one knows what you hold, you're free to ride out bear markets. You rebalance calmly. You buy when fear peaks. You let compound interest in stocks work uninterrupted. One of the most overlooked advantages of private wealth is emotional resilience. Silence acts like insulation. It keeps outside temperature from affecting internal systems. A simple but powerful question: would you handle a market correction differently if no one knew you were invested? For most people, the answer is yes. But there's a deeper reason quiet wealth grows faster, one tied to identity. Number 5. When no one is watching, you build for legacy, not applause. Visibility encourages short-term wins. Silence encourages long-term thinking. When progress is public, milestones become performative. The goal shifts from financial freedom to visible success, from net worth to lifestyle, from systems to stories. Quiet wealth flips that script. When no one is watching, timelines expand. You stop asking, "How does this look?" and start asking, "Does this last?" In The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel writes that wealth is not about having nice things. It's about having options. Silence protects those options. You begin optimizing for freedom instead of validation, cash flow instead of applause, peace instead of pressure. Number 6. Silence eliminates lifestyle inflation before it starts. One of the most dangerous moments in anyone's wealth journey is not when they're broke. It's when they start earning more and people notice. The moment income becomes visible, lifestyle expectations rise automatically. Not because you want more, but because staying the same suddenly feels awkward. Driving the same car, wearing the same clothes, or living the same way starts to feel like wasted potential. When wealth is private, lifestyle inflation struggles to find a foothold. You don't feel pressure to show progress. You're free to let your stock portfolio grow faster than your expenses. That gap between what you earn and what you spend is where financial freedom actually lives. A simple but uncomfortable question reveals everything. If nobody knew your income doubled, would your life really need to change? For quietly wealthy individuals, the answer is no. And that single decision can mean an extra $500,000 to $1 million in long-term net worth over a career. Number 7. Privacy keeps your risk profile intact. Public success changes how people take risks, and not in a good way. Once others associate you with being good with money, your tolerance for looking wrong drops sharply. You avoid conservative moves that might look timid. You hesitate to de-risk during bull markets. You hold positions longer than you should just to avoid admitting a mistake. Quiet wealth protects your risk management. When no one is watching, you can rebalance ruthlessly. You can move capital from growth stocks into defensive assets without explaining yourself. You can prioritize portfolio diversification over exciting narratives. Most catastrophic losses don't come from lack of intelligence. They come from delayed exits driven by ego. Silence removes ego from the equation. Quiet investors rarely face that dilemma. And over decades, that difference compounds into survival during market corrections and dominance during recoveries. And what's fascinating is that this privacy advantage doesn't just apply to money. It reshapes how time is used. Number 8. When no one knows, you stop trading time for validation. Visibility creates a subtle but powerful trap: performance theater. When people know your progress, there's an urge to stay visibly busy, always learning, always hustling, always doing something with money. But wealth doesn't grow from constant motion. It grows from letting systems work uninterrupted. Quiet wealth frees you from performative productivity. You stop obsessing over daily stock market analysis and start trusting asset allocation. You stop chasing every new opportunity and let existing investments compound. You reclaim time, arguably the most underpriced asset in modern finance. The less you talk about money, the less money controls your mental space. This creates a loop most people never experience. Less noise leads to better decisions, which leads to better results, which requires even less noise. It's self-reinforcing. When no one knows what you're building, your decisions improve, your emotions stabilize, your focus sharpens, and your money compounds without interference. If this video resonated with you, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Like the video, subscribe to stay updated, and share as a step toward building a stronger community of growth-minded people. Be part of it. Now, if you're curious about 10 little decisions, determine your money game. That's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.